This is a fluid and sensuous dance set to a slow ciftetelli rhythm, beginner level. I will teach it step by step, and in our practice session we will have a beat counter on screen, very helpful in understanding dance rhythm and timing. I will count as I'm breaking down our combinations to help you learn proper pacing and the structure of the ciftetelli rhythm. While social dance can be repetitive and doesn't have to express any meaning, performance dance is a form of communication. To keep your audience interested, you need to weave your steps into phrases and stories portraying emotions, moods, or characters. This dance is a story of self-discovery and amazement at the beauty of the world. And even though we're performing beginner-level steps, we will make sure our dancing is rich in expressive body language elements such as gestures, evocative body and head angles, and arm trajectories to add an extra layer of sophistication to the texture of your dance.